Hi, we're gonna do today hummus from chickpeas. Last time I showed you, I have a video that I made hummus from lentil. This time from chickpeas. Are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, I open a can of chickpeas. Rinse it up. Wash it up. Good enough. Cold water. I think it's good enough. Put in a food processor. Squeeze half lemon. I think it's enough. Two tablespoons of tahini paste. Mix 2 tablespoons. Do even a little more if you want. I think even a 3 tablespoons is going to be good. Do it with more. That's good. A little bit of salt, like start with a half teaspoon. Careful with the salt, not too much. I'm going to prepare a little bit of water if I need. Not too much, 1 tablespoon, maybe less. We'll see. Put teeny bit, just a teeny, like a teaspoon. That's it. Or 9, maybe a little bit more of water. Another teaspoon. A little more, very little. Taste it, see if we need more salt or more lemon juice. I think it's good, perfect. Teeny more. Teeny more to ground it. Some people use, it's a secret, 1 tablespoon, not full, of yogurt. And I like to add cumin, ground cumin. You don't have to if you don't want to. Just a little bit, like a half teaspoon. Smells good. It's good. Plain yogurt. See? Ooh, so good. Very smooth. Okay. half of the hummus, just serve it like this. Take a little more. That's the way we serve hummus. Drizzle some olive oil. Paprika. Oops. Just a little bit. And the half of the hummus, I'm going to show you with roasted pepper. So I'm going to get roasted pepper. You don't have to make it, just buy a jar. Oops, 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 oops. I don't want the liquid of that. Let me see how much we can use. Oops, oops. Yummy roasted pepper. Might be enough. We'll see. Let's taste it. Mmm. Yum, 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 yum. Mm-hmm. It tastes the roasted pepper. Mmm. Oh. Sorry, you know what I forgot? Very important. Garlic. Okay. I'm gonna peel 1 clove of garlic. I know something is missing. If you like more than 1 clove of garlic, put 2. Uh-oh, how could I forget? For the hummus, ay, ay, ay. Okay, the other one made already, it's on a plate, but don't forget to put garlic. So, I have to rinse it up. Here. This one a little loose because the roasted pepper. So you can use this as a dip. The roasted pepper hummus. Mmm, you taste the garlic. Big difference. Mmm, yum, yum, yum. Mmm. Okay, we made hummus from chickpeas, roasted red pepper, and hummus, plain hummus. So good. Good luck to you. See you next time.